Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with two devices, the TV running Hotstar and your smartphone. First, open Hotstar on the TV and navigate to the sign in or cast screen where the QR code appears. Meanwhile, unlock your phone and open the camera app or a QR scanner. Hotstar prefers the native camera on many phones, so use that first. Once both devices are ready, position the phone camera near the TV so the code fills the frame and hold steady for a clear scan. You'll now perform the actual scan and authorization. Point your phone camera at the TV QR code and wait for the on-screen notification. Phones usually detect QR codes automatically. Tap the Hotstar sign-in link that opens in your browser or app. You may need to confirm which account to use or enter a password. Do that to verify identity. Once authorized, Hotstar registers the TV and often logs you in immediately. After authorization, check the TV for your profile icon or a confirmation message and then start playback. If the scan doesn't work, take a breath and try practical fixes. Increase the TV brightness, move closer, or steady your phone to reduce blur. Once done, also consider using a dedicated QR app if the camera struggles. If problems persist, restart the TV and phone, ensure Hotstar is updated, or use the manual sign in code option shown on the TV to complete the connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.